Hi, good morning, Cardano holders. So what's going on today? Absolutely, the price is pumping up. 3.07% price is increased now, and the morning, as you can see here, my friend, this time. So the highest target of Cardano, you can see here 2.32 per USD dollar, and this time the current price is 2.18 USD dollar. So my brother, that's mean to price will fails down, but this time you can see here 3.07% in last 3 days the price is increased now. So that's already great news, my friends. Don't worry, if you can see, my friend, this time they were fails down for a short time, so this is, does not mean they were permanently fails down. Absolutely, after a fails definitely they will take a jump. So therefore I am 100% sure to upcoming time, my friends, they will moving upward. Kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, so please, my friend, hold now. In those days I am 100% sure they will make you millionaire now. Please holder, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. All right, as you can see, my friend, this time the Cardano price will decrease now because short-time investors are starting selling. So the main reason was that, my friend, which I found. And sometime, my friend, you can see here the price will pumping up. So definitely that's all credit goes to holder. If a holder are starting investing more and more, if a holder are starting holding, so definitely price will pump up. And you can see here in last 7 days, my friend, Cardano will get a very good profit now. So that's mean to this coin is absolutely very good from investment in those days. So I just suggest you, I remember to, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. So please research personally. All right, so my friend, I just give you advice to please hold now in those days. And if you want to earn money from crypto, now Cardano is one of the best options, so you will earn money. So just only go now, invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. So why you are wasting your time? Go invest and wait for the end of month and sell it at the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Cardano holder. Please like video and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time.